Hey guys, we're here with a new install. We put this in maybe in the middle of summer, and they kept having an oil leak on the bottom of the pump. And we thought, okay, well, it must be just a bad flare or whatever. But can you move your hand? We're actually pretty certain it was this plug right here. Yep. It wasn't super tight, and we missed it because it had a cap from the nozzle on it. Well, we also missed it because it's a brand new pump. But just be mindful, new from the factory, they expect you to use that plug. So it might not be tight. Like, I don't even think from the factory it had pipe dope on it. So just make sure that with a new furnace that or boiler, all your plugs are tight, because you can definitely have an oil leak from that, even though you're expecting them to be tight from the factory. We also here are going to pressure test the pump and make sure that there's no leak anywhere in the system. So basically what we did is we put a pressure gauge here on the high pressure line, and what we're going to do is fire it up, let it build pressure, and then when it turns off, it'll set itself to a certain pressure. It'll be like probably 120, 130, something like that. And then you wait a couple minutes and make sure that it doesn't fall. And you know that if it doesn't fall, you have no leak. You know, if it starts to fall, you either have a leak in the line somewhere, or more likely your pump is bad because one of the internal seals is letting air in or oil out. When you do this test, it's only supposed to drop 20%. So if it's at 100, it should only go down to 80 at most. So here, we'll see. All right, so we're gonna run it. And the solenoid's still off, so it hasn't let oil through yet. You'll hear it click. Yeah, we're up to like 140-ish. And then it'll drop down again. Now you are deadheading the pump here, so you don't want to do this a lot, but... Alright, now we're at, what, 130?
125.
125. So we're gonna make sure that doesn't move at all for a while, a couple minutes, and then we'll know that our pump seals are good. It's been about, I want to say, 7 minutes. I am getting a different angle with the camera here, so it might look like it dropped, but it hasn't. So anyway, just be aware, just because you have something new, don't assume that it's good. That's what kind of tripped us up here. We assumed it was the flare or something that we did, but now it's just the plug from the factory that they had a little too loose. So make sure you're thorough and checking everything when you go through with a problem like this, especially with an oil leak. We don't want oil leaking on the floor. Now we tightened everything up. We were just letting it run. And we put a pad under it so we'll be able to see if it leaks at all. So we'll let it go for a while and run it a little more, probably make sure there's nothing coming out, then we'll be good.